We're fixing to go air up the tires on this Plow. It's an offset, a Miller offset that needs some work. I bought it cheap, and it didn't last planting season, so I want to get it done because it works so well when it works. And my boy and I are gonna go air it up, see if we can pull it over here. What I need to do is like have a little thing mounted on here that will hold these things. I'm thinking it needs to be a little metal box because plastic will just ruin out here. And you can take me and I'll film you. He is the modern man, the modern cowboy. He has very poor depth perception apparently. Let's see if he can make it happen. I didn't know this. I looked at it, I thought I looked at it really good, but apparently I didn't look at it good enough because there's a bearing that was completely out on this. That was relatively painless. I had one tire that was flat. We're gonna go over here and get my truck and come back and try to pin that thing on there. Just haul it over, put it underneath the tree where we can get a little bit of shade. Because it's hot. I'm gonna borrow this. Okay. Well, let me flip that over because it'll fit better. There you go. Kind of a crap. Save a lot of trouble and a lot of time. In the shade. This is the one that's messed up. If you notice when I turn this, see that the whole bearing turns. I guess it froze up hard enough to where whenever it finally broke over, that it broke the bolts. Because it is not going, it's not going to turn. So what we need to do is we need to bring some tools over here, and we need to pull the other ones. This is not going to be any fun, but man, it's got to be done. So I know for sure that that bearing's bad, and then this front one is completely like missing. Look. Let's go down to the shop and we'll grab some big wrenches because all these have to be, these two main things have to be broke free before we can drop it. bigger than this. Besides the pipe wrench. If this will break free. No, it ain't gonna break free. Of course not. I have to have another tool to break this free. Ow. We double nutted this, but that's all.
Back there, I tied this string on there so I could. Bluejean people.
Tell Grandma hi.
Bluejean people, Bluejean people don't need a lot of money, 'cause there's no need. No, there's no need for masquerading. Yes, masquerading. Bluejean people, they think it's funny.
Hold on.
How the world, yes, how the world is salivating. Yes, salivating.
We're getting the tractor. I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
'Cause the world can't see the future. There's no one to explain it. That life is easier this way. Always being yourself, not trying to be someone else, is seen out on life's reward. Bluejean people, Bluejean.
Man, this thing looks like it'd be good, but it's froze up. Anyway, that's the way that's the piece we need.
They have all the answers. Just slow down. Yeah, just slow down. Stop salivating. No masquerading.
Ta-da! Ta-da! An hour later.
People may not be the bosses.
Fortunately, our local farm store had replacement bearings.
Just watch them.
Very happy.
No
Bought an extra one because I don't know. I just thought it was a good deal.
They know the
Sorry,
world
I didn't mean to
can't
bump
see
you.
the future.
Ta-da!
There's no one
A lot of pressure.
to explain it.
See, it's starting to come out.
Is easier this way. Always being yourself, not trying to be someone else, and missing.
Come on, get on. Everybody's got to get on here. Yeah, say hi, Jelly Dog. You jelly baby.
People.
Look at that camera. No, don't look at that camera. Don't look at it. The camera. done. Thank you. Thank you, God. Ready? I'm gonna break this one. Okay, so yeah, this is not how it's supposed to look. This is a little better. So, look how much better that looks. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? That's some heavy duty wind to blow this